Welcome to Bikesphere, your home for the most detailed motorcycle reviews, latest releases, and deep dives into the machines that define performance. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most iconic power cruisers ever built, the 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 1700. This beast has returned, reborn with modern technology, advanced engineering, and the same raw attitude that made the original VMAX a legend. Get ready to experience brute force, refined muscle, and Japanese precision at its finest. The legacy of the VMAX. The Yamaha VMAX has always been a symbol of pure, unfiltered power. Since its debut in 1985, the VMAX has held a unique place in motorcycle history, not just as a cruiser, but as a drag strip monster built for adrenaline junkies. The 2026 version pays homage to that legacy while embracing a new era of performance and design. After a long hiatus, Yamaha has revived the VMAX line with a clear message: the muscle bike category isn't dead, it's evolved. The 2026 VMAX V4 1700 carries forward the aggressive stance, the monstrous torque, and the unmistakable V4 growl that enthusiasts have missed for years. Design and aesthetics. One look at the 2026 VMAX, and you know it means business. The design is a perfect blend of brute strength and futuristic detailing. The muscular fuel tank, massive air intakes, and wide rear tire scream dominance, while the minimalistic LED headlight setup gives it a stealthy, predatory appearance. The frame is a redesigned aluminum double cradle structure, lighter yet stronger than before, optimizing rigidity without compromising comfort. Yamaha has also refined the ergonomics for a more commanding but relaxed riding posture, keeping that signature power stance that VMAX riders love. Finishes include stealth black, titanium silver, and a limited crimson Inferno edition with hand-polished components and carbon fiber accents. Every inch of the VMAX exudes attitude, from the sculpted tank to the short, twin exhausts that roar with pure aggression. The new V4 1700 engine. At the core of the 2026 Yamaha VMAX lies the legendary V4 1700 cubic centimeters engine, refined and re-engineered for the modern age. Yamaha didn't just revive the engine, they completely modernized it with ride-by-wire throttle, variable valve timing, and enhanced liquid cooling. The result? A staggering 205 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 178 Nm of torque available low in the rev range. This means instant acceleration and effortless power delivery that can take you from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds. This engine is a masterpiece of mechanical sound and feel. The cross-plane crankshaft delivers smoother torque pulses, reducing vibration while enhancing traction and control. Combined with the deep, throaty exhaust note, the VMAX's V4 power plant remains one of the most intoxicating motors ever built. Performance and riding dynamics muscle meets precision. The 2026 VMAX isn't just about straight-line power, it's about precision-engineered control. Yamaha has reworked the chassis geometry, suspension setup, and weight distribution to make the new model more agile and stable at high speeds. The bike features fully adjustable KYB suspension with 43mm inverted front forks and a monoshock rear, tuned to handle both highway cruising and aggressive cornering. The Brembo braking system with dual 320mm front discs and ABS ensures stopping power that matches its acceleration. Despite weighing around 285 kilograms, the new VMAX feels surprisingly balanced, with a low center of gravity that inspires confidence. The revised traction control system and 3 selectable riding modes, street, sport, and drag, allow the rider to unleash the bike's full potential safely and intelligently. Technology and features modern muscle, smart power. Yamaha has packed the 2026 VMAX V4 1700 with cutting-edge technology while keeping its raw essence intact. At the center of the cockpit is a 6.5-inch TFT digital display that integrates navigation, performance data, and smartphone connectivity. The new Yamaha Performance Management System, YPMS, allows riders to monitor and fine-tune engine behavior, traction control, and launch settings directly from the screen or through the Yamaha Ride app. Other key features include quick shifter and auto blipper for lightning-fast gear shifts, cornering ABS and lean-sensitive traction control. Adaptive LED lighting that adjusts beam spread based on lean angle. Launch Control System, LCS, for maximum acceleration off the line. Even with all this technology, Yamaha has ensured the VMAX retains that raw, analog connection between rider and machine, the kind that makes your pulse race every time you twist the throttle. Comfort and ergonomics power you can live with. While the VMAX is undeniably a performance monster, Yamaha hasn't ignored rider comfort. The seat is redesigned with dual-density foam, providing better support for long rides while maintaining that aggressive cruiser feel. The mid-set foot pegs and slightly forward-leaning bars create a comfortable yet commanding position that works equally well on the highway or in city traffic. The bike's suspension has been tuned to absorb road imperfections without compromising feedback. Even pillion comfort has been improved, with a wider rear seat and optional removable backrest, making the 2026 VMAX surprisingly versatile for weekend getaways. Fuel efficiency and range muscle with a modern mindset. Despite its enormous power, Yamaha's engineers have worked on improving fuel efficiency through smart fuel mapping and lightweight engine components. The VMAX's 15-litre fuel tank offers an estimated range of around 220 kilometers, which is impressive for a 1,700 cubic centimeters V4 engine producing over 200 horsepower. The ride-by-wire throttle also allows the system to optimize fuel delivery in real time, ensuring smoother cruising and better economy during long-distance rides. Price and competition. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 1700 enters the market as a high-performance, premium muscle cruiser aimed at enthusiasts who want raw power with modern sophistication. It competes with heavyweights like the Ducati Diavel V4, Triumph Rocket 3, and Harley-Davidson V-Rod 1250, but the VMAX holds a unique identity. It's the perfect mix of drag racer, cruiser, and street fighter. Expected pricing starts around $23,999, which is surprisingly competitive given its features, power, and legacy. For riders seeking the ultimate expression of mechanical dominance and style, the VMAX is simply unmatched. Final verdict. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 1700 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement that raw, unapologetic power can coexist with modern technology and everyday usability. It's a bike that honors its heritage while embracing the future, delivering both nostalgia and innovation in one explosive package. For riders who crave adrenaline, respect heritage, and live for the thrill of open-road performance, the VMAX 1700 is more than a machine, it's an experience. Yamaha has brought back the Muscle King, and this time, it's more powerful, smarter, and meaner than ever. Outro. And that's our full review of the 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 1700, a legend reborn for a new generation of thrill seekers. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Bikesphere for more exclusive reviews, detailed comparisons, and everything from classic icons to futuristic rides.